Hi guys, here's going to be a quick tutorial on how to complete IXL X3, domain and range of exponential functions. Okay, here's a quick review. So a question like this, if you're looking at a regular exponential, I'm going to just draw it over here and we'll talk about its domain and range. We talked about this in the video yesterday, but if you want a quick refresher, that's totally fine. So if the exponential is just a regular exponential that hasn't been transformed, it's going to look like this, where it goes as low, very close to this line where y is equal to 0 here, but it doesn't hit that line. So that you have to be careful with that when it comes to the range. Domain will be first, so domain is always going to be asking for the x values. Okay, so when you do domain, I'm going to do domain and highlight it in yellow here. It's going to be from how far left to how far right do you go, okay? So if you're going left and you see an arrow, that's going to negative infinity. If you're going right and you see an arrow, that's positive infinity. So domain in this case will be all reals is what you're going to see as an option on IXL. For the range, that's going to be your low to high, okay? So range is all your y values from low to high. So how low does this function go? It goes as low as this line, y is equal to 0, but it doesn't touch it, and it goes as high as this arrow. So that's going to positive infinity there. So we're used to writing it like this, 0 to infinity, where there's a parenthesis around 0 because it doesn't hit that line, doesn't touch it, and a parenthesis always around infinity. But on IXL, they write it as an inequality. Y is greater than 0 would be how you would see that. And they actually put a little extra notation in here. They put this going on. That just means range, and this is what the range is, okay? So don't get tripped up on that. Let me do one more example where it's a little bit different as far as the range goes. So I'm going to click you over to something else, jumping to the next level. We're going to keep going. We're advanced. Okay, the range in this situation, remember it's low to high. So how low does this go? That's pointing down to negative infinity, and to how high is 0. So in that case, it would be y is less than 0. I want one where it's shifted up or down. Okay, they're not giving it to me. Oh, challenge them. Exciting. Okay, here's a perfect one. All right, so this one has been shifted down. It appears like it's shifted down 2. Okay, so let me show you what that domain and range is real quick. If it's been shifted down 2, it's going to look something like this. The domain is still going to be all reals. Okay, because from left to right, you still have an arrow. So it's still going to be all reals, which we show like this, but they actually write out the word all reals. Your range, how low does this go now? So now it's going close to that line, and I drew that poorly, but that's the line. That's down 2. So it's going really close to negative 2 without touching it, and then all the way up to infinity, or y is greater than negative 2. Okay, would be how IXL shows it. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you guys complete those 10 questions for IXL. Have a great day.